Hi everybody, Tammy here. Welcome to my channel and a doll unboxing from thedollpeddler.com. This is the first time I've ever purchased from this company. I have seen them advertised in various places like Doll Magazine, and I have been looking for a toner doll. I've been very curious about the Ellowyne Wilde dolls. There are some that are going to be coming out soon. They may, by the time I post this, I don't know if they're going to be out yet or not. But I have been very curious about these dolls, and I've watched some videos, and honestly there's not a ton of information about these dolls that I feel is unbiased. Let's put it that way. There's plenty of advertising type videos about them, but I finally just broke down and bought one, and she is the Right on White doll. These dolls are, I believe they're 16 inches. So they're a bit on the bigger side than what I'm used to as far as comparing to Blythe dolls. And, alright, let me stop here and go and get a knife. Right, I'm back. Got the bottom undone, and so this is the receipt and return policy and all that good stuff. And here is the box that the doll comes in. Okay, so I guess it's clearly not the type of box that you would just keep the doll in for display purposes, which is not what I plan to do anyway. You know me, I like to open the boxes. Right, so I had to adjust my camera. This is kind of a big doll here. Not as big as the Smart Dolls, but yeah, she's Ellowyne Wilde. If you have one of these dolls, please let me know your thoughts in the comments about them. Alright, come on. Alright, so here's a little info about her. Right on White, the day it goes. Ellowyne Wilde, Right on White, the day it goes, with style, but it's casual. From day to night, this outfit goes. It's sleek, it's cool, it's magical, with friends or alone. It's out I go to find a new adventure. It doesn't matter where I go. This outfit keeps me centered. Okay, I will say that the stock that she's wearing is something that appealed to me. It's very casual. Ooh. Oh, how pretty. Gosh, she is... Ooh. I'm kind of speechless. She's so pretty. Wow. Look how this is. Okay, so these dolls are vinyl, I believe. They are not resin or anything like that. So this is her purse and her boots. Or not boots, these are like little tennis shoes, high top tennis shoes. I guess they kind of look like white boots though too. I think they're high top tennis shoes though. Oh, and she's just got a stand. That's good to know. I wasn't sure if they came with stands or not. And her feet are tied in there. Look, she's got little... So one of the things that I've been curious about these dolls is, you know, how detailed are they, the quality, etc. As far as price comparison to Blythe dolls, they're actually kind of about the same. And I'm talking about stock Blythe, not fakies, not customized dolls either, but just your typical new release stock Blythes. They're, from what I have gathered, I've done quite a bit of Googling about these dolls, but like I said, I haven't seen videos from too many people that I feel like either they weren't given the doll or, you know, from the company or something, or they were trying to sell the doll or whatever. And I'm not dismissing those. I actually did find videos like that very helpful, but you know, to find unbiased information was kind of a little bit difficult. Alrighty, and I did join a Facebook group, but again, not a ton of information. So here is a ribbon. It's wrapped around her. Like, she's really in there. Woo! Yeah, she's in there. Let me try this. I don't want to cut the ribbon. And I just... It feels like it's like wrapped around a bunch of times. So I'm going to stop here and try to work on these ribbons, and I'll be right back. All right, so I took the inner box out of the bigger box, and it was easier for me to get to the ribbons. So the ribbons were tied, twisted, and then tied again. And then she's got a ribbon around her neck. I like that they have the ribbon, because then you can reuse the ribbons. So that's always good. That's good packaging. I'm trying to remember what her release date is. I'll put like a comment or something here to show you the release date. She's got netting on her hair. So she's the, you know, the typical California, Florida blonde chickaroo, I guess you could say. And she's pretty hefty. Yeah, she's a solid doll. Looks like she's got something on her ear. It's not pierced. Wonder what that is. Looks like a little mark. Huh. It's not... See, look right there too. Well, that's a little disturbing there. Wonder what that's... Is it supposed to be a pierced ear? I don't think she has pierced ears. Alright, let's take off the netting. Alright, her hair is very nice quality. It feels a smidgy greasy, but I think once she's combed out, it's not going to be bad at all. I gotta say that it looks like there is some kind of mark. This actually looks like a nick. And this one looks like a mark. I'll have to take a closer look with the magnifier or something. So she's got hands with plastic. And like I said, I don't know a whole lot about these dolls. I think you can take their hands off. It looks like you can. All right, I'm back. I went ahead and got her stock and her stand out. So her stand is kind of weird. Like, I guess it goes in here. Maybe screw it in here. And is she supposed to, maybe she's supposed to straddle it or something? Because this doesn't move. Huh. I mean, she's supposed to straddle it? That's weird. I don't like that. I never liked these kind of, if that's what this is, or the stand the dolls straddle, I've never been a fan of those. They just look very weird. Alright, well, Now she does have flat feet, so maybe she can stand on her own. I don't know. She had this little tag on her wrist when I took the tape and plastic off. She does not come with a certificate of authenticity, but she does have these items, which I guess are pretty close to that. She has this really cute purse. This feels very well made. It's a working little crossbody purse. Stuff in it. So, yeah, very nice. That's a nice, very nice purse. Yep, that's really cute. And then these super cute little high top style booty tennis shoe type of things. They have, it looks like tread here, but then they're plain on the bottom. I wonder if they say anything inside. It's interesting. I would have thought the bottom might have her name or toner or something like that on them, but I guess not. I wonder if the inside has anything. Nope, inside doesn't say anything. That would have been a nice little, you know, have her name on there. Little addition. Okay, I'll put her in the stock here and take some pictures of her at the end as usual, like I normally do. So she, as far as her outfit goes, she has white leggings Looks like there's a little flaw here, like a snag or something. She has no undies. She's got just, which, you know, she's going commando, but she's got pretty thick leggings. But that's covered up by this little, like a little dress. This is cute. This little dress is cute. And then on top of that is this sort of, I don't know, kimono style looking boxy, I guess like a boxy overshirt. It's got snaps on it. And nice little detail, lace detail here. So I looked at her ears more closely, and I just kind of looked her over. I haven't taken all her clothes off. I see a little mark here. I hope I can take that off with an eraser, magic eraser. So we'll find out. Otherwise, these dolls are supposed to be extremely articulated. Her ankle is not, but you can see her knees are, her hips. So that's pretty nice. She's like a sturdy doll. Her arms go out and up. She also has wrist action and elbow action. Her waist, yeah, so her waist does, she does move side to side a little bit up here at the top. See, oh, there we go. Okay. And now as far as these things on her ears, I'm really not sure what to think about these. I mean, this one would look to me like it's actually, it's a mark. It's not like, I mean, it's like in the vinyl. It almost looks like somebody tried to give her pierced ears, but didn't put any earrings in. And then when I come over here, it looks like they missed, because they're like tiny little holes. Oops, there you go. They're like tiny holes. But they're off, this is way off centered, if that's supposed to be for an earring. And then this one is centered. But why would they do this and not actually give her earrings if she's supposed to? And I don't remember from the description any mention of earrings. She has nail polish on her fingernails and her toenails, so there's that. But yeah, I don't really, I'm not gonna lie, that bothers me. That bothers me. I don't think it's going to be super noticeable because of her, you know, she's got long hair. But these dolls are not, they're not super cheap. Yeah, they're not super expensive, but they're not cheap dolls. I mean, this is not a Barbie doll. This is not a, you know, AliExpress knockoff. This is, you know, the real deal. So yeah, this is kind of make me wonder. This has a 2015 copyright on the back of her neck. I still really like her. I would just say, for me, considering the price I paid, I would have liked to either really see real earrings and the holes in the right place, or no marks on her ears at all. I think I'm going to post in the Facebook group that I'm a member of and ask about that. Maybe somebody there knows. Like I said, I did have trouble. I couldn't really find any real specifics about this doll in particular. But otherwise, as far as her face-up goes, she's got some really sweet little, very light freckles, a little bit of blushing here, sort of peachy lips, beautiful brown eyes, very detailed. Her eyes are pretty amazing, as are her eyebrows. So, yeah, she definitely fits into my aesthetic. I would have minded if she was a little bit darker toned, but I knew she wasn't super dark toned when I purchased her, so that's not a big deal. Hair seems really, really nice. I just gave her a quick comb with the hair, and yeah, I would say this hair is just fine like it is. It's very silky and pretty. You can see they did like a little side, little ponytail pieces up here, so I'm going to leave those. If I were to cut that out, it probably would like cover her face too much, so I like the style like it is. Very nice hair. When I combed it out, absolutely no hair came out, so that's pretty cool. And this is rooted. I've noticed some of these dolls have either rooted hair or wigs, and she is rooted. But like I said, when I combed her hair out, absolutely nothing came out, so that's really, really good. All right, so let me get her in her stock and take some photographs. And otherwise, you guys, thanks again for stopping by to another Dolly unboxing. Yeah, let me know in the comments below, what are your thoughts on her in general? Do you have any of these particular dolls or toner dolls at all? And yeah, what do you think about this new doll? She's 16 inches, articulated, hefty doll. I really like her. We'll see what I can do. I don't really know. Maybe there's a way I can actually correct the ears and get some real earrings in her. I don't know. But otherwise, thank you guys for stopping by. Hang out for a few minutes and I'll show you some photographs. As usual, have a wonderful Dolly day. Thumbs up or appreciated. Bye-bye.